Day 9 of the Crystal Rogers murder trial, and the defense still says there is not enough evidence for conviction, but prosecutors are trying to convince the jury otherwise. WDRB's Valerie Chin joins us live from Bowling Green with the latest developments from the courtroom. Hey, Val.
More than 4 hours of closing arguments from defense attorneys today. The prosecution is still doing closing arguments. It's lasted over an hour so far. Throughout the case, the defense has wanted what's called a directed verdict of acquittal, meaning there's not enough evidence for conviction, saying there's no body, no crime scene, and no confession. Joseph Lawson's attorneys once again say he is collateral damage in the case. Attorney Robert Boyd says he wants the jury to use common sense when deciding on Joseph Lawson's fate. The defense says Joseph had nothing to do with Crystal's murder, nothing to do with a Houck farm, nothing to do with her car. Brian Butler, Brooke Houck's attorney, spoke for over 3 hours in his closing arguments. He went through all the witnesses in the case and why they are not credible. Butler said some changed their story, some were on drugs, and some made deals with the government and lied. Butler said the world was against the Houcks and they were blamed from the beginning. He said they were paranoid and that's why they taped the grand jury proceedings. He went on to say all the searches over 10 years also found no signs of Rogers, including a search at the Houck farm with 100 agents. Butler said the prosecution only has coerced witnesses and incorrect phone data and speculation. Butler ended his closings with this statement: "It's time to send him home to his son. It's time to find him not guilty." Houck is charged with complicity murder and Joseph Lawson is charged with conspiracy murder. Both are also charged with tampering with physical evidence. The prosecution says when Brooks was taking Crystal on a surprise date on July 3rd, that was her surprise ending. The prosecution, again, is still doing closing arguments at this hour. We'll bring the latest at 6. Live in Bowling Green, I'm Valerie Chin, WDRB News.